Hi, I'm Wayne Benson. I'm the Director of Manufacturing Product Management at Stratasys. I'm here to talk about our flagship FDM system, the F900. The F900 was developed by Stratasys over 10 years ago and has gone through 3 generations of improvements. These improvements have created a system that is the most versatile, reliable, and repeatable on the market today. The F900 can be used in your additive manufacturing process all the way from early prototyping, functional prototyping, to your end-use parts. The F900 can also be used on your factory floor for production tooling. It's our largest system at 36 by 24 by 36 inches. It's one of the only FDM additive systems on the market today that has a high enough oven temperature to do high-performance thermoplastics at that size. This makes it incredibly versatile. Whether you're doing a full tray of small parts or one large part, the F900 can meet all of your requirements. And print confidence becomes even more critical on large parts. With over 14 material options, the F900 is incredibly versatile. Whether you need basic prototyping with our ASA or high strength with our Nylon 12CF, the F900 can meet many different use cases. You can be assured that you're going to get a dimensionally correct part the first time, every time. With the F900, we have the accuracy and repeatability that allow our customers like Lockheed Martin to 3D print parts for their customer NASA to fly into space. With GrabCAD print software, it's incredibly easy to go from CAD to print. The F900 comes standard with MT Connect, so you can collect machine and print data and feed that directly into your existing manufacturing systems. At the end of the day, manufacturers need systems that work. They need to know that they have the reliability to consistently meet their production requirements. The F900 is proven to be the most reliable system on the market today, and the most accurate and the most versatile.